Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. Today we're going to check out some flawless short haircut ideas. This first one features this gorgeous pixie cut. She does have natural curly hair. This creates beautiful texture within her pixie cut. Loving the bangs that she does have in the front as well. So if you have curly hair and you are looking to do a pixie, it can definitely be achieved with the right stylist. So then we move into another hair transformation. This one looks like it is going to be of a bob. Loving the layers that the stylist did with this one. Beautiful bangs added in the front as well. The stylist was able to make a beautiful cascading effect with the layering. Gorgeous. So then we move into the next transformation. Now for those of you with thinner hair, this next style might be a great option for you. This looks like a great way to cut your ends. Just place your hair in ponytails standing up above your head and go for it. So the stylist was able to create a beautiful bob. I think that it really added some volume to her hair overall. And then next up we see that same standing technique where you're cutting above your head. So after she ends up doing this, she does go in back and just kind of further cut her hair and make sure that it is cut properly, shaped up nicely. So if you haven't done so already and you are loving these transformations, be sure to give this video a like. Obviously subscribe, comment below which hairstyle is your favorite. So she ends up adding bangs with this transformation as well. And she's creating quite a bit of texture with this particular pixie cut. And I'm pretty sure she is a stylist because she's doing a really good job at this self-cutting. Gorgeous. Alright you guys, so that is going to be it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to like it, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.